Yes, Sirski. It's your boy D Handyman checking in. Basically covering everything that's gonna happen with this video. Is basically just a tub replacement, tub spout replacement, or a tub diverter replacement. I'm gonna cover all the tools that you'll need and step by step of what's gonna happen. You guys enjoy. All right, guys. We're gonna start here with this tub diverter. I'm here showing you guys that basically this is a screw-on tub spout. This isn't the same as a pop-in. And it all depends on the type of piping that you have underneath the wall. You're either gonna have that threaded ending, as you see in this video right here, or you're gonna have basically just a regular pipe just sticking out with no thread at the end. And those are the ones that you pop in with. Right there, I'm showing you guys an Allen wrench, basically for the pop in. That's all you're gonna need. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between both of them right now. And this is the new one. You see the screw popping out, and that's what you need that Allen wrench for the hex screw. And that is the old one. And you see the threaded end right there at the end. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and have to cut this pipe because it's threaded up, and all we have at the property was pop-ins. So we're gonna have to cut this pipe right now, and won't take long. Just a couple rotations, and boom. And right here, I'm showing y'all where's the screw located. It's right there in the back, and all you need is an Allen wrench. Take that screw out. Once you get that screw out, and you'll see it right there in the middle, you can go ahead and pop that guy in. Boom. Yes, sirski. Go ahead and tighten it up. Put your Allen wrench to it. Make sure you push back as far as you can while you're tightening it up. And you see right here, there's going to be a gap right there in the back of that toe spout. You just put caulk right around that, and you should be good to go. And the only reason you do that is because you don't want the water shooting behind the wall. And basically, right now, we're just testing it right now. Make sure there's no leakage behind, no running excess water running behind the toe spout. Check it for waters, and you're good to go. I also forgot to mention, with those twist offs, I prefer channel locks, but sometimes they scratch up the new toe spouts. Grab a hammer to knock it loose. Hit it right here on the edge, give it a small little tap. You don't want to go too hard with the hammer now, or with the channel locks, because you could bend the valve behind the toe spout, and then it'll become a lot worse. You have to call real plumbers out here, and yeah, you're gonna have to change out the valve behind the wall, cut the drywall. It's just a bad experience I've been through already. Don't want to go through that. Yeah, that's how you change the toe spout, guys. Make sure you clean up after yourselves, and on to the next project.